Welcome to Gariautocare. I'm Team Wire. Right now I have Toyota Alphard. This vehicle has a problem with check engine. Look at the dashboard. We have a check engine. So according to diagnostic machine here, the fault code are P1346, which is VVT sensor or camshaft position sensor circuit range performance bank 1. So according to this fault code, the possible causes can be the timing, VVTI, wiring issue, another thing ECU. So let's go and confirm. The engine I'm talking about is 2AZ engine. So this is the VVTI sensor. I'm going to remove this sensor to replace with a new one. These are VVTI sensors. Let me show you. This is the new sensor. This is the old sensor. So we are going to replace with this new sensor right away. That after replacing VVTI sensor, I have to go back to clear code from the system. So I had to read engine. Under engine, read codes. These are codes I'm going to clear, the same codes. Right now we don't have any code in the system, so I had to start the vehicle, and the vehicle was performing perfect. See, very smooth. So sometimes when you see that code, you need to replace this VVTI. So thank you for watching.